Alright, I had enough. I'm calling Daryl.
Hello? And a few things in the bathroom I'd like you to look at.
I'll be there in about 10 minutes if that's all right.
Perfect, I'll see you soon.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye. Jeff, man, what are you doing?
I'm almost done. I did get the toilet bowl out though. The good news is I found the smell, and it was from there.
That's a good use of your wife's kitchen dishes. I'm thinking she's not cooking with that later.
I got the air freshener on top, and oh yeah. Yeah.
Dude, that is not how you do that.
Look, plastic bag. I found this on YouTube. Plastic bag with baby wipes and garlic. But it smells better in here, right?
Your wife should have called me sooner, I think is what should have happened.
So you know how like me and you were laughing right now?
Uh-huh.
This is the only time that this is funny. One of the tricks you taught me is I drew this line.
Oh yeah, to see if it's bleeding.
And it's not growing.
So it means it's not an active leak. If it's an active leak, then the water bleeds outside the line. So it's one way to see if it's still active or not.
I did not know that this top floor was like one piece. I thought maybe I'd lift up a section, so I'm stuck right now, which I guess is why my wife called.
I love how you kept the garbage. It's not reusable.
The only way it's standing up is by my architectural innovation, as you can see.
This wall here is called the wet wall because all the plumbing is in there.
The wet wall was wet, by the way.
So interestingly enough, the wet wall is not supposed to be wet.
Like I told you, I'm the demo guy. Okay. So this wall, this tub, I'm gonna do that. When my wife asked me how long it would take, I told her a day.
A day.
It's been 2 months.
There's nothing you can't screw up that I can't fix.